Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boston Logan International Airport. We have this Spirit 2522 inbound from Myrtle Beach. Another Spirit 2151 inbound from Dallas. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great summer. Check this out, everyone. Lufthansa Flight 420. It's an A340 Heavy inbound from Frankfurt, Germany. Four engine. JetBlue Airways 6834 A321neo inbound from San Francisco. This is golden hour plane spotting at Boston Logan. Another JetBlue 6620 inbound from San Diego. And I just realized it has a different livery on this one, so I kind of like this one better. Delta Connection Flight 5789, it's an Embraer E175 inbound from Cincinnati. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. A JetBlue Airways 2230, it's an A220 inbound from Milwaukee. We got another heavy inbound. Air France Flight 332, it's an A350 inbound from Paris. Swiss Air Flight 52, it's an A330 inbound from Zurich. This is our third heavy of the day, guys. United Flight 957 inbound from Denver. This aircraft is an A321. JetBlue Airways 2954 inbound from Washington, D.C.A. This is a small Embraer E190. Sorry. JetBlue Airways 1388, it's another A321. This time it's inbound from Los Angeles. We got another heavy inbound, guys. This time it's Virgin Atlantic Flight 11 inbound from London. Delta Airlines Flight 821, it's an A321 inbound from Atlanta. Came here to spot for the evening because I thought it was a good idea. United Airlines Flight 688, it's a 737-800 inbound from Washington, Dulles. JetBlue Airways Flight 6560 inbound from Philadelphia. American Airlines 1776, it's an A320 and also inbound from Philadelphia.